Hey guys, voiceover Lawrence checking in. I forgot to turn the audio on. Anyway, a lot of people come into the practice because they have really bad shoulder mobility. What they don't realize is it might not be due to their shoulders, but due to their middle back. So if you check my shoulder mobility, it's not too bad. I can comfortably get overhead. But if you get this office worker head forward posture, what can happen is your shoulders get stuck. So if you don't have enough thoracic mobility, it's going to cause your shoulders to get stiff and lead to shoulder pain. So this is a great exercise that I prescribe to my patients to work on stretching the chest and the mid-back, working on thoracic extension. All you're going to need is a very, very light dumbbell. This is about 8 kilos, lying down on a bench. This is a dumbbell pullover made famous by Arnold. In this top position, you're going to drop your arms above your head, feeling a big stretch through your chest and your lats. Take a few deep breaths in, really appreciating that stretch and coming back up. I was sitting a bit too low here, so shuffling up, get that big deep stretch at the end, a few deep breaths in and out. I like to prescribe about 3-second reps, go for about 20 right before you do any overhead press movements or any overhead pulling movements. Give this a go and it will help to correct your posture.